Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It. I am here with another collaboration that I have joined called Freehand Gone Wild, I think. Our theme is squares. I can't do freehand to save my life. But what I did do, I can do an awareness ribbon, not a 3D, just a singular, awareness ribbon, I can do that. So I took our picture. I'm going to have this open. I'm going to do my best to look at that and to draw a square. So I've got some black polish here. Probably need more, which really sucks. I'm going to brace my finger here. People on Instagram. Oh, I feel like I'm just shaking. I don't have glasses on to see what I'm doing. I wear readers, and well, I ain't doing no good sitting beside the desk. Okay. Oh, I hope you can see what I'm trying to do here. Okay, we're good here so far. Here is where I get messed up. I go here, right? Okay, I get messed up here. How does this line and this line... That does not make a square. I'm sorry, to me it does not look like a square. Looks like I've made a house. Oh, I'm so sorry. Excuse me for coughing. Woo. To me just looks like it sucks. I'm sorry. We're gonna get some more black out here. We got something in it. It's like a piece of tobacco. I don't know. It's possible. I am a smoker. This is Beatles striping. That's what I'm using. I should be using this. Let me see if I can get enough off here to use it. Because this is still a full puppy. Everything with me has got to do with dogs. I've noticed that. Whoops. Okay. Let me say, draw this up here. It's leakage. Oops. Whoopsie. I just don't get this. I don't. I don't get it, George. I can't, I'm sorry, I hate to show this on camera that I can't get this, but this doesn't look right to me. Where's my practice one? See, it looks like a house as well. Oh, I don't know what to do. Here's the thing, okay? oh god, this shows I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. I'm not the brightest crayon in the box. I've got this so far. I've got here, 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 here. I got here. The only thing I have to do is 1 and 2. And I've got the 1 and this would be 2. But it's just, I don't, ooh. This is going to be just a whopping of a video. I can see the thumbs up now. We've got one more attempt here, folks. One more attempt. We got some drippage going down the barrel of the brush. I'm waiting for it to come down the bristles so I can wipe just a tad bit off. God, this just really sucks. Alright, we're back. My phone cut out of me. It seems I was lacking space. I just don't understand this. I hope next month is something that hard for me like squares. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Waiting for the bead to get to the brush. Oh man, look at. You see what I did? Can you see what I've done? Oh my god. Okay, well now we just have to totally wipe part of this off. Oh my lord. Sorry, I know I'm out of frame, but I'm trying to wipe away some more of my boo-boo. You always have your finger braced, and I'm sorry, this is so unfamiliar for me. So unfamiliar. Ugh. It looks like it goes like it'd be an L shape. So there we go there. And that would be an L shape. Well, we're kind of missing a box something here, because should it be like, I'm sorry, I'm not even in frame and I'm sitting here going to town, but it looks like a window, so yep. But there is my attempt for my square for freehand for the month of, I don't remember when this posts. July, I guess. This just really sucks. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to be so down on myself, but you can see mine don't look nothing like this. Mine don't look nothing like this. And I'm trying. You see, I'm trying. Let me get these two out of the lamp. You know, mine's a fail. I hate to say that, but I mean, I don't know. I tried. I had some fun. Had some giggles, a little bit of some frustration going on there too. Definitely some frustrations. I don't know, leave me a comment, some advice, I don't know, some constructive criticism. I don't know. Take a like to my channel, give a thumbs up, please subscribe. Click the bell, click all, go enter any giveaways that I might have going on this summer. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.